Hello and welcome back, Brain Sculptors. We trust you're ready for another fascinating journey into the world of health and nutrition. Here at the Brain Sculpt channel, we're all about exploring the different ways we can nourish our bodies and minds. Health and nutrition aren't just about what we consume, but also about understanding the amazing impact it has on our well-being. Today we dive into a delightful and nutritious snack, the apple peanut butter protein. Intrigued? You should be. Ever wondered what makes apple peanut butter protein so special? Well, wonder no more. It's not just a delicious snack, it's a nutritional powerhouse that packs a punch with each bite. Let's start with the star of the show, protein. Protein is the building block of our bodies, necessary for muscle growth and repair. And peanut butter is an excellent source of it. Just 2 tablespoons can provide you with 8 grams of protein. But that's not all. Apples, the crunchy companions to peanut butter, are brimming with natural sugars. These aren't your ordinary sugars. They're complex carbohydrates that provide a slow and steady release of energy, keeping you fueled throughout the day. And let's not forget about fiber. Apples are rich in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps you feel full and satisfied. Combining apples with peanut butter not only enhances the taste, it also brings together 2 fiber-rich foods for a double whammy. Finally, we've got healthy fats. Peanut butter is rich in monounsaturated fats, the kind that's heart-healthy and can help lower bad cholesterol levels. So there you have it, a snack that's not just tasty, but also teeming with protein, natural sugars, fiber, and healthy fats. It's a winning combination that keeps your body running like a well-oiled machine. Now that we've whetted your appetite with these benefits, how about we explore how to make this power-packed snack at home? Ready to become a master of your kitchen? Here's how you can create this delicious and nutritious snack in your own home. First things first, let's gather the ingredients. You'll need 1 large apple, 2 tablespoons of your favorite peanut butter, and a scoop of protein powder. Feel free to choose any flavor of protein powder that tickles your fancy. Vanilla or chocolate works pretty well with this recipe. Now, let's get down to the fun part, the preparation. Start by slicing your apple into thin, bite-sized pieces. Make sure to keep those fingers safe. We're making a snack, not a finger buffet. Once that's done, set the apple slices aside. Next, take your peanut butter and mix it with the protein powder in a small bowl. Stir it well until you get a smooth, creamy texture. If it's too thick, you can add a splash of water or almond milk to thin it out. Remember, we're aiming for a spreadable consistency, not a peanut butter rock. Now comes the assembly part. Take an apple slice, slather a generous amount of the peanut butter and protein powder mix on top. Don't be shy with that peanut butter, after all it's the star of the show. And voila! You've just made your first apple peanut butter protein snack. But hold your horses, we're not done yet. To make it even more nutritious, you can sprinkle some chia seeds or flax seeds on top. These seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, making your snack even healthier. To store, simply place the apple slices in an airtight container and pop them in the fridge. They make a great snack for those mid-afternoon cravings or an after-workout energy booster. Remember, the beauty of this recipe lies in its simplicity and versatility. You can play around with the ingredients, add a dash of cinnamon for a bit of spice, or swap the apple for a banana. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it, Brain Sculptors, your very own apple peanut butter protein, a snack that's not just delicious but also brimming with health benefits. We hope you enjoyed today's journey into the world of apple peanut butter protein. We've explored its magic, dived into its health benefits, and even learned how to whip it up in our own kitchen. The fusion of sweet, crunchy apples, creamy peanut butter, and the protein punch it packs is as delicious as it is nutritious. So why not give it a try? Thank you for joining us today, Brain Sculptors. Remember, your health is your wealth. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy.
If you find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider sharing it with your friends. To receive more content similar to this, subscribe by hitting the button and make sure to ring the notification bell.